stuff over there in the pile, Keenan.
Okay.
All right, talk to you.
Bye. What's this one?
Pigeon shaft.
Ooh. That looks new, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You gotta be a big spinner now.
Yep.
So you want this to go more than, how long left? A week?
Yeah. If it goes longer than a week, I'll be happy.
Oh, okay, that'd be good. Ew, who came all over this thing? So
Oh no, it was all sticky
full of goo.
from the tape that was on it.
Jeez, how am I supposed to use that for checking anything? Sound effects on here, good. All right.
Goes through perfect.
Appears to have a high spot in there somewhere. Oh, this one's much better. This one's got some issues. Did you beat this with a big hammer?
Nope.
Oh, there it goes. Well, I have to burnish it in. You know what burnishing means?
Kind of like honing.
No, it's like burnishing. Just wearing it in.
Okay.
Look at that.
There you go.
Did you spit on it?
No.
The old spit jack.
No, I had to wipe off the stuff that was on there. It was extra thick.
Oh, yeah?
Juicy.
Was it from the pizza that we just ate earlier?
Yeah, that was it. That's why it doesn't work. Okay, that's tight. It'll work. So we don't have to rebuild these. We're
Nope.
good. What are you doing here? Somebody dropped something on there. Was that you?
Nope.
Was it you? Who was it? Mario did it.
Yeah, it was definitely me.
Know exactly who it was.
All right. Get that one upside down too. Let's do this direction. Okay, can you push hard?
No.
No.
I'm filming. Ooh.
Are you running away from me?
Oh, yeah.
Do I stink that bad?
Well, I was texting. I felt like you were going to just make fun of me because I was texting.
I already made fun of you 3 times already today.
Oh, you know, it's not a...
Hey, we got some pen down there. Oops.
And he wonders why my shit's all bent up.
Well, you didn't grab it.
I'm filming.
I feel an excuse with you. You just have excuses for everything, don't you?
Uh-huh.
This goes up here. Can't put it down there, it'd be in the wrong spot.
It would be in the wrong spot.
Alright, that part's done. This is balanced already?
Yep.
Or did somebody just drill it on it? Oh,
No, you balanced it flawlessly.
look at all the holes I put all over the place.
Yeah, perfectly.
This is all polished at one time. All those extra holes, what's all that?
And I think you put those there.
You got timing on both sides. That hurts. Look at that burn mark right there. I don't know how that happened. It looks like a fin almost. I don't know how that happened. It appears that somebody's been playing around with timing marks on this bike. You know what those are for?
Yeah, those were the advanced. I think it was like 44 degrees and stuff because we did those.
That was a custom ignition timing we're doing.
Yep.
We're going to use that Dane ignition and we're going to cheat, or actually ultimate ignition. So this is 35, 6 degrees. This is how much?
38,
41.
41,
And that one's how much?
44,
45, 46.
45, 46.
Cheating.
Yep.
We would never cheat. And if you put it all the way to the back of the hole, it'd be 50 degrees. Got to run good gas. Okay. These appear to have a lot of crap run through them.
They're Harley, so it doesn't matter, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That is true.
Yeah, you know, so...
Look at how smooth that is. So we have to sand those a little bit. Okay, so what size are these at?
I don't know. Stock.
Stock? Okay. So we need to sand these. We need to straighten these. So you're in charge of straightening.
Sure.
I'll go do the sanding.
Straightening.
Yep.
How do you straighten them?
ice.
Oh.
How you know they're bent, can you? I don't know yet. You guys will check them. Can you check them? Yep, check them. Sandpaper, right here.
You use one of these wristbands right here?
Use his, no, we got the one over there. We already have one.
This one's on dispensary, right?
We have one over there already for it. Look how flat that is and smooth.
There you go.
Ooh.
Nice.
It'll work for you. That one felt okay. See the difference?
Yeah. There you go.
Sound good?
Yep. That didn't.
That's not good?
No, that one needs to be hit up a couple
That's different. That's different than this side?
Yep. There you go. Cool.
Ooh, look at that.
Yep.
Now they won't eat themselves up anymore. Well, they'll still eat them up, but not as bad. So now we got some flat surface to work to a little bit. Got to give the oil a chance to have something to get between, so the oil layer will protect and keep it from galling against each other, like what it was doing right here.
Yeah.
So thicker oil helps. Thin oil sucks.
All right. We'll be running thick oil.
I got crap on my fingers again. All right, what's going on over here?
Light.
I have light right above you.
That's bent.
It's bent.
This leg is.
That was also light. There we go. Pull the doggy off. Go in the middle, it works better. That's not the right wristband, I told you that. Back up, back up.
Too short?
Yes.
Oh, there is no.
Knucklehead wristband. Original. Look at that. Look how long that one is. Alright, switch sides. You're on the wrong side again.
This one appears to be bent.
Appears to be bent.
Just like the freaking owner, you know?
Is it bent?
Yep.
You guys pretty bent all the time. Oh, there you go. Is this the Walker Shut Up stick?
Right?
It appears to have a gap right there.
Yes.
See that?
What's this thing called?
Right there. It's called a knockout.
What is it? A knockout. Well, that doesn't really do much.
KO.
Well, it was made in South Dakota, so that explains a lot. Oh, there you go.
This is going to bend it.
It appears to have a gap on the bottom left side.
Get the Walker Shut Up stick and figure it out.
I didn't know that you used that to straighten them there. So you would put up your collet and stuff.
That's right. Oh, jeez. Somebody didn't do much. Appears to be bent still. These are good rods. Look how much tweaking they take. These are good Harley rods. At least you got one good part in your bike. Ooh.
There it is.
That went too much.
Yeah.
A little sliver right there.
Sensei touch.
How's that look to you?
Looks pretty dang good.
Yeah, but you can't see anything, so unless you're just saying that.
No, I saw it. Saw it with my eyeballs.
Yeah, so now you turn 180, put it back in, see how good you really are. You can't repeat, it ain't no good. Appears to have a small gap on top. Not that much. Yeah, a little bit gap. Real small.
Sure, the owner would have
Well, let's just get this in the bike.
He would never know anyway.
Now, would you do this of brand new rods if you got some?
Of course.
Do you check it?
Check everything.
How often do you find them to be off, not straight?
Depends on who they are.
Good answer.
S&S's tend to be good.
Not paid by SNS, by the way.
Japanese stuff tends to be good. Taiwan stuff not as good. China stuff crap usually. But then you got the American made stuff. It's all crap.
Hey, man.
Because either's not
Made
made by
in
S&S,
USA?
it's made by somebody else.
Ooh, that one's totally bent.
Yeah, it looks like just like the last one, but worse. But how good is this rod though?
It's gonna snap right now. It's gonna be pretty fucking funny.
Snap right in half. He's gonna blame it on me.
You're the one that's snapping it.
Sure to have another good rod. Lost of strength. Boom, 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 boom. Good dropped. See, that's why I had that red mark on it. It was bent. I think they knew it in the factory. Let's see. Need a little bit more.
Yeah, tiny bit.
Needs a little bit in this other direction. Look at that. Some rods you just kind of lean against and it's bent right now. That's how those import ones are. What do we got here? A little bit on the left corner there, it looks like. Oop. I bet you it bent that time. Told you.
Wee bit more.
No, it wasn't too much, it bent. Gap was on the other side this time. Okay, now we gotta bend it down. Nice springy set of rods, it's good.
Yeah?
Yeah, they're good. They're not straightening very easy. That's easy if you gotta work hard, that means they're good. If they weren't good, they'd be bending real easy. So S&S rods are, they're strong. So we got one good thing in your whole motor.
Nice.
Well,
Sweet.
two if you count both of them.
And the new pinion shaft and the new center pin.
You know, that's new to your motor. It's not
Yeah.
what that didn't come with your motor. You weren't listening.
Yep.
There you go.
Cool.
All right, move. You're my way.